WT0207, Catherine Credo, 26 years old, married, a college graduate with 2 years babysitter experience in Dubai and 1 year cashier experience in the Philippines. Miss Catherine, can you tell me something about yourself?
I'm Catherine Credo, married, having 2 children, college level with a course of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I work in Dubai for 2 years.
How many hours is your travel from your place to Manila?
It took 8 hours.
Can you tell me something about your DH experience as a babysitter in Dubai?
I know how to baby bathing, feeding the babies, making food for the babies, and I know how to make them good.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
I don't have any idea, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
So, what are your hobbies?
Playing badminton, sir, playing chess.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir, because I have already experience about it.
How about preschooler?
I'm willing, sir.
How about elderly?
I'm willing.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, sir.
What are the steps?
First, we must to wash the bottles and then sterilize, and then put warm water. Check it into your skin if the water is warm or cold, and then put milk.
Okay. Do you know how to sing?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a lullaby song for us?
Yes, sir, of course. I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them apart, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay, thank you. Why did you choose Hong Kong?
I choose Hong Kong because it's an open country and it's a beautiful country, sir.
Okay, what if you feel homesick when you're already in Hong Kong? What will you do?
I will make myself busy by cleaning the house, and I will think that I'm in Hong Kong. I'm working in Hong Kong because of the future of my children.
So, what if one of your family members gets sick? Will you break your contract?
No, sir. I will just call them and then check their situation, and I will send money if possible.
So, do you have any message for your future employer?
Please, ma'am, please hire me as soon as possible. I assure you that I'm a hard worker and I will do my best to work in your country. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Catherine, thank you.